time in our Samsung microwave. Still showing 10:45 p.m. but it's 9:43 actually. So this one is a Samsung 1.9 cubic feet microwave. The model number is ME19R7 041FS, made in Malaysia in August 2021. It's a pretty much new microwave I set up here. The time here it shows 10:46 now, but I'm setting this to 9:43. Most of the microwaves they have a clock symbol here, but this one does not. So I'm going to see how I can set this up. Go to power label with a clock symbol here. Press this for 3 seconds. So you can change the time here. Now we're gonna say it 9:43, and then for AM or PM you're gonna press this one more time. So we're getting AM. Press one more time, you'll get PM. So we set this up to like 9:43, so we're good. And then we'll go and press the start button here. So it's pretty much easy. We're done. Thank you for watching.